In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and format maps in PowerPoint, a handy skill that can elevate your presentations to the next level. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. Firstly, begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like an obvious step, but getting the basics right is essential to moving forward without any hiccups. Once your PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation you want to work on. If it's already open, great. If not, locate your file and open it. With your presentation ready, it's time to head over to the Insert tab, located in the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint window. The Insert tab is your gateway to adding various elements to your slides, from pictures and text boxes to charts and graphs. Now that you're in the Insert tab, go ahead and click on Chart. This option allows you to select a wide variety of charts that can be incorporated into your presentation for better data visualization. What we're looking for today is the map chart, a powerful tool when you want to display geographical data. In the options that come up, select Map. Keep in mind that maps in PowerPoint are linked to data visualization, helping you to geographically represent your data in an engaging way. Following this selection, you'll be presented with two options for maps. For this tutorial, we'll choose Filled Map. This particular map will highlight the geographical areas based on your data, giving a more visually impactful representation. After selecting Filled Map, simply click OK to insert the map into your PowerPoint slide. This process will create a blank map chart that you can customize further, depending on the specific data you want to highlight. Customization is where you can add your own flair to make a map uniquely suited to your presentation. You can adjust the data input, which directly influences how the map depicts different regions or categories. Changing colors is another option, providing the opportunity to make certain areas pop depending on what message you're trying to convey. Don't forget you can also modify the labels, which adds clarity and context for your audience. Remember, customizing a map in PowerPoint can not only enhance comprehension, but also keep your audience engaged. Experiment with different settings to see what works best for your specific presentation needs. And there you have it, a beautifully formatted map, ready to take your presentation to new heights. I hope this tutorial helps you add a dynamic visual component to your next presentation. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy presenting.